You might have heard the word squalene or squalane. What's the difference? And why is everyone talking about it? This is the hint. It is already in your skin. Can you believe that? What is squalene? Squalene is a natural lipid produced by your skin that keeps it soft, hydrated, and glowing. But here's the catch. Your body makes less of it as you age, leading to dryness, fine lines, and a weaker skin barrier. That's where skincare comes in. Squalene versus squalane. Here's where people get confused. Squalene, with an E, is the natural form, but it's too unstable for skincare. That's why it gets hydrogenated into squalane, with an a stable lightweight oil that locks in the moisture without feeling greasy. That's why brands are adding it to their top skincare products. Why squalane is a game changer? So why is everyone obsessed? Squalane is a powerhouse hydrator. It strengthens the skin barrier, prevents moisture loss, fights dryness, and even calms sensitive skin. Plus, it works for all skin types, even oily and acne prone. Who should use squalane? The best part, everyone can benefit from squalane. Dry skin, super hydrating. Oily skin, lightweight and non-greasy. Sensitive skin, soothes irritation. Acne-prone skin, non-comedogenic and calming. If hydration is the key to youthful skin, squalane is the answer. The best squalane products. Want to try it? Here are the best squalane products. Best pure squalane, the ordinary 100% plant-derived squalane. The best squalane skin cleanser, Dermatica Caring Squalane Cream Cleanser with glycerin and rich vitamins. Best drugstore option, CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. So, hydration, anti-aging, skin barrier repair, what's not to love? Have you tried squalane? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more skincare secrets.